When processing paper documents in the physical world, many users prefer working on a large office desk rather than a small table, not only because they can deal with more documents, but also because they can enjoy the flexibility provided by a larger workspace. Documents that are not being used can be piled up on the side for later reference, while multiple documents are often spread on the desk for cross-referencing. Users can also easily reach documents at the sides and freely arrange them into meaningful layouts with both hands. In the digital world, a large display has an even greater visualization surface. However, it does not provide users with much file management flexibility due to the rigidity of current window management systems. These allow users to operate only on a single window at a time, thus imposing extra effort when spatially organizing multiple windows. The thin title bar or the tiny corner of a window is difficult to click and drag, especially when windows are located on the right and left sides, far from the user's focus area. In this paper, we design a set of interaction techniques that provide greater flexibility in managing multiple windows on a large display. These new techniques are coherently integrated with traditional operations in a large display window management prototype called WallTop. We will introduce each technique in the remainder of this video. The fringe is the virtual boundary enclosing selected windows. By default, overlapped windows are recognized as a group. The fringe around them fades in when the cursor is approaching the border of the group and fades out when the cursor is moving away. Users can simultaneously move selected windows by dragging the fringe or resize them by dragging a convex corner. Users can also manually select multiple windows by drawing a rectangular rubber band, or select one window by directly clicking anywhere inside. Performing a scratching motion by quickly and repeatedly moving the selected windows vertically, horizontally, or diagonally across the border of other windows animatedly folds the closest corner of the static windows. The selected windows can be inserted beneath folded ones. The folded windows spring back to their original shape when the selected windows are moved away or when the mouse button is released. Many of the interactions on WallTop are performed via right-click marking menus, which are activated when the user right-clicks on the fringe. Dragging the cursor with the right button down beyond the inner circle highlights a color-coded command wedge. Subsequently releasing the right button executes the corresponding command. Invoking the spread command in the marking menu quickly arranges selected windows in a tiled layout. Once executed, the top window of the selected windows is placed in the center and surrounded by other windows. Executing the pile command piles up selected windows with their title bars uncovered to show their names. Once piled, leafing through the windows by moving the mouse wheel up or down brings a window from bottom to top or top to bottom, enabling quick window browsing. Invoking the splat command temporarily separates windows apart. The subsequent left button click brings separated windows back to their original positions with the clicked one on top. The side left command shifts windows to an empty space at the left area of the large display. The center command brings selected windows to the center area of the display, and side right moves windows to the right area of the display. Right-clicking on the fringe enclosing only one window triggers the single window marking menu, which contains 4 commonly used commands. Pack and unpack icons on the upper left corner of the fringe are designed for continuously packing and unpacking windows. Clicking the pack icon and dragging in any direction tightens the selected windows. The dragging distance determines how tightly windows are packed. Unpack works in reverse. Clicking it and dragging separates windows apart. We coherently integrated the new interaction techniques with traditional window operations into the WallTop prototype. Usability studies show that these techniques are easy to learn and can significantly improve the efficiency of managing windows on a large display.